Good morning friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. In my series on the income tax cases, the case which I am going to discuss today is on section 131. The name of the case is Muthukoya T versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 445 ITR at page number 450. The matter has been decided by Kerala High Court and the date of the judgment is May 18, 2022. The reason for discussing this case is that the procedures are very important in income tax or in any law which is enforced by the various authorities. In this particular case, the notice under section 131 was given to the assessee, and after summoning the assessee, the documents were retained by the officer. There is a provision in section 131 that before retaining the documents, you have to record the reasons that why the officer is retaining those documents. And there is further provision that if the officer wants to retain the documents beyond 15 days, then the officer has to seek the permission from the commissioner. In this particular case, the officer retained the documents beyond 15 days but did not seek the permission of the commissioner. The aggrieved assessee approached to the writ court for the relief that those documents should be returned back to the assessee because the procedure has not been followed. And the court said that the officer has not obtained the permission from the commissioner, and that is why the procedure which is there in section 131 subsection 3 has not been followed, and that's why the officer has to give the documents back to the assessee. Apart from this, if we read the bare act of section 131, there is a requirement that the officer has to seek the permission of the commissioner when he wants to retain the documents beyond 15 days. But there is nowhere mentioned in section that the copy of the approval should be given to the assessee. But in this particular case, the Honorable Court held that not only the permission from the commissioner should be taken before retaining the documents beyond 15 days, but the copy of the approval should be made available to the assessee. Sometimes we came to the instances that that particular requirement is not mentioned in the section, but those words should be read into the section or the legislature. So this is a perfect example of that case where there is no requirement of giving the copy of the approval in the section itself, but the court said that before retaining the documents beyond 15 days, the officer has to seek the permission from the commissioner, and that copy of permission should be given to the assessee. So this is the complete procedure of section 131. Section 131 subsection 1 is there, section 131 subsection 1a is there, section 131 subsection 2 is there. Section 131 says that the officer can seek various information from the assessee in any suit. Section 131 subsection 1a, when there is investigation proceedings, some proceedings are going on against the assessee, then the department issues the notice under section 131 subsection 1a. In some cases, they call for personal deposition, but in some cases they do not require personal deposition. But in any case, when they retain the documents of the assessee, then they should have record the reasons for retaining those documents, and if they want to retain the documents beyond 15 days, then the permission of the commissioner should be taken, and that copy of permission should be handed over to the assessee for completing the procedure under section 131. Friends, I hope that this case will help you in all these cases where the permissions are taken in the various matters. So by giving the reference to this case, we can say that even if there is no requirement of giving the copy of the permission to the assessee in the section, even then that copy of the permission should be handed over to the assessee. Friends, at the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Muthu Koya T versus Commissioner of Income Tax and others, and this case has been reported in 445 ITR at page number 450. Thank you, friends.